Welcome back to Cooking Life with Des. Today, let us cook green peas with rice or Mattar Chawal here in Pakistan. Things that we need: 6 pieces of green chili, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 3 pieces of medium-sized chopped onions, 2 cups or glasses of green peas, and 3 pieces of medium-sized tomatoes, and of course 2 cups of rice. Soak it in the water for 1 hour. Don't forget to wash it first. Let us start frying the onion until it gets brown or golden brown in color. Add the tomato until it becomes like a paste, just like this. Now let us add the garlic paste. Mix it nicely and leave it. Let it boil for a while, just like this. Add salt depending on your preference, but here I use 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix them all together nicely. Make it sure that they are all mixed nicely so that the taste will be really nice. Cover it for at least 3 minutes, and then after 3 minutes check and it will be just like this. Now, as you have noticed, the oil is separating from the mixture, so it means it's already cooked. So we are going to add the green peas. Then mix it well. After mixing it well, let us cover it and let it boil for at least 10 to 15 minutes until the green peas is well cooked. After 15 minutes, you can see that it will be just like this. And here you will notice that there is a bit of water because actually the green peas and the tomato has its natural water. So when you boil them both in a low fire, the water or the natural water will come out just like this. Now we are going to close it a bit more for 5 minutes since it seems like it's not yet cooked. So let's see after 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the mixture will look like this. Now, as you notice, the oil is separating from the mixture, so we are going to add the green chilies. After adding the green chilies, mix it well and add 4 glasses of water. Mix them well, cover it, and let it boil. After 50 minutes, the water will be boiled just like this. Now, let us add the rice. Remove the water that we use in soaking the rice to make sure that we are not going to use water so much because we already use 4 glasses of water, which is enough to cook the rice. Mix it well, cover it, and let it boil for 10 minutes, but make sure not to close it nicely to avoid overflowing of the water. Check it after 10 minutes, mix it, don't overmix to avoid spoiling the rice. Boil it for another 10 minutes. This time we are not going to fully cover it. We have to cover it in half just like this. Let it boil until the water gets dry just like this. Mix it and remove it from the fire. Use the tawa and put the cooking pot on the tawa. Make sure that the fire is low. Cover it and cook it for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the rice will look like this. Now it's ready for eating. And here's the rice with green peas or Mattar Chawal in Urdu or here in Pakistan. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.